In this video, I'll show you how to reinstall games that you have previously deleted on your Xbox Series S or X. Some of these games are maybe not even available anymore on the Microsoft Store. So how do you find them is to go into My Games and Apps on the main menu. And from here, you're going to go down until you see a full library here. Then once you're there, you're going to select Owned Games, and here you're going to see all the games that you have purchased in the past. Some of them will be on your Xbox, but some of them will be deleted games. For example, Fortnite here, I own it, but I have deleted it. So just go over it, press A, and you'll be able to install it from here. If this wasn't a game and it was an app, just go over Owned Apps and you'll do the exact same thing. Select it, press A, and you'll be able to reinstall it on your Xbox. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.